Hello, good morning and good evening. It's been a very long time since I've actually filmed. A lot has happened, kind of. The main thing that's happened is I sealed the engine up, oil pan, timing cover, everything. It's completely closed now, and we got repainted. So I managed to get this sent to get painted. Everything got done. The subframe got properly cut and closed off, and then you can see the whole subframe's repainted as well. I have just masking tape, so when we put the engine in, which is what we're doing now, it doesn't scratch up anything. But yeah, we got Battleship Grey, gang. I'm very happy with it. It looks so good. I haven't filmed in a while because, as you can assume, I got COVID because of him. He took home COVID, so our whole family got COVID, and you know, yeah. Yes, I'm still positive for COVID. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this in while I'm at home, even though I've been home for like 2 weeks now, because it's actually New Year, so it's ready. 2022. Oh, you'll be watching this already anyway, so yeah. I'm just gonna set you up on the tripod and just try to get this in by today, because I really want to get this in, so yeah. It is finally in. I just finished peeling off the masking tape. But yes, he's finally in for the final time, we hope. That I should just be able to, you know, sort out all the other little things next. I do really want to test fit the headers because there's barely any clearance, though I did speak to Kenny from Elusive, and they've done a DAK swap before, and he actually changed my order to ones that would fit, because he said the ones I ordered wouldn't fit, which were K-Tune 421s. These are just K-Tune 41s, so I do need to put in 2 more bolts there and there, because the threads are actually damaged, so I'll need to do that. But other than that, it is all in. I'm just gonna try to clean up now, get the crane out of the way, undo the seat belt, and just clear it all out. Maybe I'll test fit the headers today. I don't know. If I have time, I will. But otherwise, yeah, it's in. Okay. The thermostat housing bolts have like shafts on them, so make sure. Alright, that brings us to a stop for now. It's starting to get late. But I installed everything else. So you saw me, I put the intake, the fuel rail, the upper coolant housing, the coolant block off, and then also the filler neck, and then the thermostat housing as well as the AN fitting on it, because we are going AN for it. I also resealed the water pump housing as well while I was there. Oh, look at that brand new nut. Everything else is so dirty, and there's this, oh. We'll see. I was having a bit of trouble with the rear bolt on the thermostat housing because it's all the way in there and it's really hard to get just with any socket. So what I did, I took the whole water pump housing off, and then I could easily just access all 3 holes for thermostat housing, make sure they were all flush, change the gasket on it as well, and then I could get the swivel neck on as well, so it just made it a lot easier. I need to find some time to clean up the actual block and the gearbox, give it a wash while it's in here. Look at all that yuck. Either this video will keep going, or it's going to end. It's going to keep going, and it's going to be the brake lines, or it's going to end and the next week's going to be the brake lines, so we'll see. But other than that, thank you for watching. I'm going to have some pads here. If you haven't had that before, you're sleeping. Peace. What you call an icon living?